Welcome to Busy Family Happy Knife Video!
Hello everyone, thank you for coming back to our channel. Today we are taking you to Aquarium of the Pacific. If this is your first time come to our channel, please press the subscribe button down below. Our channel is all about the family life in sunny California, what we do for fun, where we go to eat. At the same time, be happy and stay healthy. This video will be our first episode about this aquarium. Busy family spent about 4 hours here today, but only covered a very small portion of the aquarium. Our focus today will be on Pacific Vision's Wing, which just had grand opening on May 24th, 2019. So today we are at an aquarium and we are going to actually test out this new equipment we just bought on Amazon. What do you call it?
It's called the WT2X gimbal. WT2X gimbal.
WG2X gimbal. And the camera is
SJ Cam Pro 8 or SJ Pro 8.
SJ Pro 8. And compared to GoPro, this is like similar.
GoPro 7, probably not as good, but
GoPro 7 compared to
like
GoPro 7,
half
half the price than GoPro. So pretty good. Okay, now we done our picnic. And we are going to have some fun in the aquarium, the new section. It's called a Zhao fried rice, right? You like it? Here is the new section. Pacific Vision. We just discovered. Now they have a multilingual map and guide for visitors around the world. Now we entered Pacific Vision's Wing. Here is the orientation gallery. The educational documentary film played at the Honda Pacific Vision Theater is so impressive, inspirational and educational. We highly recommend everyone come to this theater and watch the film. You will be impressed.
A molten core shaped Earth from within.
Oh, you can feel it.
It still does. We're deep in the ocean. It created the beginnings of life. And it's life in the ocean that gives us most of the oxygen we breathe. The ocean has always been essential to all life, and it will be essential to designing our future. We are a creative, innovative, and resourceful species, and there will be 10 billion of us by 2050. But in others, we can manage this challenge by combining innovative engineering solutions with nature solutions. Well, we design for the long term.
After we finished watching this documentary movie, we walked into our feature. In this gallery, we are learning the projection of our population and the future of our Earth and ocean. It's certainly fun and educational for kids and adults. Now let's take you to our Tropical Pacific Gallery. Dory!
Don't climb on that.
Yes, Dory! Dory came out!
6.
We hope that you will take advantage of this video downstairs. Enter from the ground of the lake adjacent to the front door. They will give you a stamp. They'll give you the time to either enter or to come back and be able to enter the arena and go in and see our new addition to the Pacific Vision. Once we take full advantage of that, we'll just go into the back side and we'll get about 40% of the
Sea dragon. Here is the place we must visit every single time we come to Aquarium, because we discovered a very playful seal, loves to have fun with kids. This is the playful one. Let me show you one more thing we love about this aquarium is the convenient freshwater system they provide for their visitors. Somehow, my daughter just feels this water tastes better than the filtered water we have at home. We will create a few more episodes about our lovely aquarium. Hope you enjoyed our video. For more happy moments, please
Please like and subscribe our channel.